I literally typed one sentence and got back a full, ready-to-post YouTube video. No editing, no voiceover recording, no spending hours hunting for stock footage, just a finished video. And I know how that sounds, I thought the same thing. But here's what's actually happening right now. Creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs are quietly building entire YouTube channels without ever showing their face, without touching a single editing timeline, and without spending thousands on production. The tool making that possible is called Vid AI, and I want to show you exactly what it does, why people are obsessed with it, and why I think it might be the most useful thing you add to your workflow this year. Here's how it works. You give Vid AI a prompt or a script, literally one sentence if you want, and the AI takes over from there. It writes the script, selects the visuals, generates a human-sounding voiceover, adds captions, drops in background music, and delivers you a finished, export-ready video. We're talking YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and on the Pro plan, full-length videos up to 10 minutes, all from a text input, no camera, no microphone, no editing skills required. Now I know what the skeptics are thinking, is the quality actually good? So let me give you what other people are saying. Reviewers are calling it highly effective and purpose-built. One expert said it dramatically reduces the time and effort required to produce faceless short-form videos. Another described it as predictable, fast, and built for a production line. And the platform is reportedly generating over $80,000 in monthly revenue, which tells you people aren't just trying it, they're sticking with it. This tool is built for YouTubers running automation channels, social media managers who need volume, marketers who can't afford a production team, and honestly, anyone who has a story to tell but doesn't want to be on camera. If that's you, Vid AI was made for you. Plans start at just $19 a month. The Plus plan is $67. And the Pro plan, which unlocks over 4 million Storyblocks assets and long-form video support, is $137 a month. Every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee on unused credits, so there is genuinely no risk to trying it. The link to get started is in the description. It's vid.ai/ref/Moriba. That gets you straight to the platform. And if you've been sitting on the idea of starting a channel or scaling your content without burning out, this is the moment to actually do it. Don't overthink it. Type a sentence, see what comes back,